class 7. Hope you all are doing good in studies. As you know, your half-yearly syllabus is finished and you are getting 4 chapters in your half-yearly examination, which are fractions and decimals, rational numbers, exponents and powers, and algebraic expression. So children, we'll start the revision of these chapters today, and I will start the revision of chapter number 8, that is algebraic expressions. Now children, algebraic expression. What is an algebraic expression? As I told you, the equation which contains numbers as well as letters, that is called an algebraic expression. And the numbers involved in it are known as constant because the value is fixed. It will not change. And the letter is known as the variable or literal because its value is not fixed. It will change. It will depend on the expression on which we are using it. Now children, I have written some algebraic expression like 3x and 7x minus xy square. This expression has only one term. Now what do you mean by term of an algebraic expression? The various parts of the expression which are separated by either plus or minus sign, that are called as terms of the algebraic expression. See children, here in 3x means 3 multiplied by x. But multiply sign does not distinguish between the terms. This is considered to be only one term. 3x is only one term. But in this 7x minus xy square, these two parts are separated by the sign of minus. So it is considered to having two terms. So this expression has two terms. What are the terms? 7x and minus xy square. Now see this one, 5y square plus 7x minus 3xy square. So these three parts are separated by the plus and minus sign. That means it has three terms, 5y square, 7x and minus 3xy square. And this expression, it has more than 3 terms. 7 is one term, minus 2x cube is other term, minus 5xy cube is another term, and 9y to the power 5 is another term. So these are the different kinds of expression. The expression with one term is called monomial, with 2 binomial, with 3 terms trinomial, and more than 3 terms it is called a multinomial. Now children, what do you mean by coefficient? In 3x, this 3 is called the numerical coefficient because it is a number. Numerical coefficient of x. Coefficient is the remaining partner of that which we are supposed to write the numerical coefficient. See, numerical coefficient of x is 3. But what is the coefficient of 3? Coefficient of 3 is x. Okay children. So the remaining part is called the coefficient. And when we are talking about numerical coefficient only, then obviously only this number 3 will come. And if you are talking about the coefficient of 3, it will be x, and coefficient of x, it will be 3. Similarly, in this expression, coefficient of x is 7. And in the second term, that is minus xy square. What is the coefficient of xy square? Coefficient is minus 1. Because what is here? Here we have 1. If nothing is there, that means we have 1 here. So what is the coefficient of xy square? Minus 1 is the coefficient. Similarly, 5y square. What is the coefficient of y square? 5. What is the coefficient of x here? 7. And what is the coefficient of xy square? Minus 3. But if in this term minus 3xy, suppose we are taking this term, third term of the algebraic expression. What is the coefficient of xy square? Minus 3. But what will be the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x means except x. What is left? minus 3y square. This is the coefficient of x. And what will be the coefficient of y square? Coefficient of y square is the remaining term which is left. Minus 3x. So these are the coefficients. Now next is the like terms and unlike terms. Like terms means having the same variables. See this expression, 2x square y minus 5y minus 2x square y. Three terms it has. It is a trinomial. This term, what is the variable in this term? X square y. In this term, y. And again in this term, x square y. So same variable. So these are called like terms of this expression. But this expression has all unlike terms. Here a term is y square it is having. Here variable is x and here is xy square. So these are all unlike terms. But in this expression, these two terms are like terms. Suppose I give you a question. I have given you two expressions. 3x bracket 3 minus 2y and 2 bracket xy plus x square. So, can you tell me the like terms in these two expressions? Children, expression can be written like this also. But you will open the bracket. See, 3x multiplied by 3 becomes 9x. Minus 3x into 2y becomes 6xy. 3 into 2, 6 and x multiplied by y becomes xy. And this expression, if I open the bracket, 2 into xy becomes 2xy plus 2 into x square becomes 2x square. So can you tell the like terms in these two expressions? Yes, this minus 6xy and 2xy are the like terms. Now children, one more thing. Suppose I write a question 7x minus 5x square plus y square. You have to tell whether it is a monomial, binomial or trinomial. So how will you find out? First you have to open the bracket as I told you. So this becomes 7x and minus 5 multiplied by x square. If no sign is there, that means we have to multiply 5 with both the terms. So minus 5 into x square is minus 5x square. And minus 5 multiplied by y square is minus, because minus plus minus. And 5 into y square becomes 5y square. So how many terms? 1, 2, 3. 3 terms. So it is a trinomial. Now next children, which I want to tell you, very important thing, that the degree of a polynomial. Any expression of the type in which the variable has a positive part, it must be a rational number, positive part, that is called a polynomial. Suppose I write an expression 3xy square plus 5 minus x square y cube. So what do you mean by the degree of the polynomial? Degree means you have to see the powers of all the terms, and the maximum part is called the degree of the polynomial. But the power of the whole term you have to consider. Like this first term is 3xy square. Here x to the power 1. That x means x to the power 1. So what is the degree of this term? Degree of this term is 1 plus 2 means 3. Degree means the powers you have to add of each term. Similarly, second term is 5y. So what is the degree of this term? Here y is raised to the power 1. So what is the degree of this term? 1. And in the third term, minus x square y cube. What is the degree? Degree of power of x is 2 and power of y is 3. So what is the degree of this term? 2 plus 3, 5. So the degree of first term is 3, the degree of second term is 1 and the degree of third term is 5. So which is the greatest number among this? 5. So this is the degree of this polynomial. Okay children? Okay children, that's all for today. You keep on revising, and I am again reminding to those children who has not sent their assignment, please send all your assignments so that I can give you the marks.